Hello everyone and happy Friday. Before we share my analysis from these last few days, please remember that neither I nor the SIMETRI team from Crypto Briefing are licensed financial advisors. What we provide is not a personalised investment advice. It is merely our opinions based on our various research and diligence. As always, do your own research before making any decisions about buying or selling crypto. 16,500, if Bitcoin moves underneath there, I think we can see 14,000. 18,200 is the monthly pivot point for me. The weekly pivot point, 17,400, pretty much consolidating around there ahead of the CPI release. So the upside targets, if we did get a soft CPI, expect 18,200 and 18,700 would be the upside targets, and a daily close above 18,700, and that would be a bullish signal that we'd probably start to trade towards 20,000. And if we broke above 20,000, then that would be set above a lot of technical buying. But this is very early. None of it's happened yet, and we're still around the weekly pivot point. So we don't know until CPI yet. Nobody does. So it's too early to say. Looking at Bitcoin, I'm going to bring in the median indicator again, and we're right around resistance testing there. And again, you can see there's no real trend in the market except for the bearish one, where we've been pretty much stuck in there since around April time when the market collapsed, and we're still underneath there. So still a strong sell signal on the monthly, nothing changed there. But how about the weekly time frame? And again, it's depicting a range of 21,400 to 12,750. Again, I suspect this indicator, when we break away and deviate from the cloud and we pick a direction, I suspect it's going to be the purple and then the green one, not the green one, and then a breakout towards the 25,000 area and then to 40,000. So I think it's going to go lower. Then we're going to start to build up the ladder and take out these resistance areas, test 25,000, fail, and then come back, and eventually the end of the year I suspect we're going to be trading around 40,000, somewhere like that. On a daily time frame, not much we can gather from there. If we're slanting upwards, we know that there's a bit of a bullish bias in the market. We know that already. No big breakouts happening here yet, and we still got the head and shoulders pattern there, the larger head and shoulders pattern, which hasn't really broken out, but we could easily repeat previous cycles, and I still think there's a strong chance we're going to head lower. In terms of the alligator indicator, no real strong signal yet being issued. It's pretty much flatline, which is why I'm not getting too excited about Bitcoin just yet. So overall, I'm still hoping for a move down towards 14,000, could even see 12,750. Cannot discount a strong rally if we see after the CPI 18,200, a drop below 16,500, we can see a big decline. I'm still seeing a lot of MACD price divergence on the monthly time frame. I've been saying it for a long time now, and that comes down to around about 13,000. It's all about the CPI release, basically. Looking for Ethereum with the same indicator, top end resistance coming in around 1,400. There is a buy signal on the Williams alligator indicator. You can see it's the strongest buy signal that we've probably had since December, arguably since October. So keep an eye on that, but we're trapped in this triangle pattern for now, so we don't really know. And on the daily time frame, the median indicator is pretty bullish. The lines are sloping up, and again is pointing to upward resistance around 1,400. So that's maybe where we peak out tomorrow. I doubt we're going to get a breakout above the triangle. And you can see the monthly time frame here is testing right around the cloud on the monthly time frame, trapped inside this tight triangle. And unless we get above 1,400, not a lot going to happen. But keep an eye on the cloud, which is basically around 1,350. If we break above there, then maybe 1,400. So not very exciting for Ethereum, but we could be headed back to 1,400. I say watch out over the coming days again for a big rejection or breakout. A return to the summer lows should be on the cards, and I still favor 1,000 more than 2,000. And thank you. I hope you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like more, please click the subscribe button for Pro BTC Trader and join me every week on Wednesdays for our live trading war room and daily email updates.